So the sprint planning workshop that we have is delivered over multiple sessions because we want you to be able to have a chance to practice what we're talking about, right? It's designed to be run with a single organization. And we're going to start off by having a workshop where we figure out what sprint planning is and what it means to your organization. That's kind of the first part. So we'll have a lot of learnings in that part, a lot of exercises working through those ideas, and hopefully solid outcome of what do you want sprint planning to be within your org. And then we're going to help you through your first few sprint plannings, right? So somebody there to facilitate that sprint planning, help coach you through it, help get the most out of it, and perhaps give a bunch of feedback and debrief those things, what happened during that event, so that we can make it better. And over time, what we would expect to see is that you take over all of that work in running it and making it effective, and you make it even more your own by adapting it to what you need and having it emerge over time, right? It's going to keep changing, keep emerging as you learn more about what you need, what you get from it, and how you can leverage it to make your business more successful. The sprint planning workshop can be delivered digitally or in person. It actually depends on how you work. There's no point in me coming to you in person and delivering you and teaching you to deliver this workshop in person if you're going to be doing it virtually, right? So pick whatever format makes sense for the way you work, because that's where you're going to get the most learnings. Because the learnings that you get, if I'm delivering digitally, I'm going to be using tools, techniques, and practices that work well digitally, and you can also bring those tools and techniques into that story. As for format, it's going to be probably one or two active working learning sessions that we do, and then probably two or three coaching sessions through an actual your real sprint planning event, so that you can get practice, right, and have more questions and find out what's going on. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, follow, and subscribe. I always reply to comments, and if you want to have a chat about this or anything else Agile, Scrum, or DevOps, then please book a coffee with me through NKD Agility.